Okay, guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will give a brief overview of LinkedIn. So, get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so let's get started with this LinkedIn overview. So LinkedIn is a professional networking site for people who want to make business connections, share their work experiences, and also find jobs. So LinkedIn is free, but they have a subscription version called LinkedIn Premium that offers additional features like online classes, seminars, and insights where you can see who is searching or viewing your profile. Alright, so now let's have a quick tour of LinkedIn. At the upper right side of your screen, you'll see the search bar. This is where you can search for people, jobs, companies, and so on to find network to connect with. Beside the search bar is the Home tab, which is basically the LinkedIn news feed equivalent of Facebook. This is where you can see posts from other LinkedIn users. And on the left-hand side panel, you will see a glimpse of your profile. It has your logo, your profile name, and a short description. You also have the number of connections, who's viewed your profile, your saved items, and the next section is about your recent searches, your groups, your events, and your followed hashtags. So you can minimize it just by clicking the arrow here. So you have the option to also start a post by sharing an image, a video, or sharing a document. You can also write an article. This is the equivalent of writing a blog. The next tab is the My Network tab. This is where you'll find existing people in your network. The first section is for any open invitation that you may have, followed by the section from people who you have mutual connections. We also have the trending pages of brands that you can follow, and the hashtags or keywords that you can follow. At the bottom part, you'll see more suggestions for you. So these are the people or groups that you can connect with. Let's talk about the next tab, which is the Jobs tab. So you can track your jobs and write your career interests here at the top part. And if you're looking for talents, or if you are a headhunter, you can post a job just by clicking this button, Post a Job, and you will be redirected to the job posting page. If you're interested to search for jobs, just type in the keyword or select from the suggested keywords here that will show up. Select a location and then hit the search button. So you will be redirected to the job listing. The next section shows job listing based on your profile. So these are the companies looking for talents that matches your qualifications or whatever specialization you have put on your profile. Now let's talk about the next tab, which is the messaging tab. Here you can chat with people in your network. You can also send messages to people outside your network using InMail. So InMail is one of the features that you can get when you subscribe to LinkedIn Premium. The next tab is the Notifications tab. This is where you'll see the activities of people in your network. Now let's check out the Profile tab. The Profile tab, once you click the drop-down button, shows you your logo, your profile. You have your account settings here, and you also have your job posting account here. So the View Profile will redirect you to your profile page. This is where you can showcase your brand and personality. You can add information just like what you would write in a resume. So include your background, your skills, accomplishments, and so on. You also have the option to request a recommendation from your connections here at the additional information option. You can also add your profile in another language so that local businesses can connect with you. Now, let's have a quick look at how the profile page looks like from a visitor's perspective. So you'll see your cover image here. You also have your logo, your name, your current position, your location, the number of your connections. The next section is your about page, your dashboard, and then your experience, the skills and endorsements that you'd like to show your potential recruiter. The last tab is the Work tab. Once you click the Work tab, this is where you can see and explore other LinkedIn products such as learning, groups, SlideShare, and other business services that LinkedIn offer.